today, what we're going to be doing is just a one-on-one basic frying chicken. So today we're going to do fried wingdings, okay? So one-on-one class today. So I already washed my hands. Make sure your grease is not popping a lot like this where it pop and burn you up. Keep it on medium high, okay? I washed my wingdings off. And then what you're going to do next, you're going to get some paper towel and you're going to make sure your wingdings are dried off. Pat them dry. Incorporate them in a bowl or a plate. Now I already washed my hands. The wingdings are washed off and I showed you what to do next. Let me give you the ingredients. Main ingredients, wingdings clean. Garlic powder. Shimon's kitchen seasoning. Yes, got the Shimon kitchen seasoning, so you will use your seasoning salt. And then we're going to take it with hot sauce. That's a little special twist to it. My family recipe that I got from my cousin Merle, and now I'm bringing it to you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Then I also got flour. I like to put my flour in a big Ziploc bag or a bowl or a regular bag. Now y'all know some of y'all out there use the plastic grocery bags. You can use that too. Got this. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get a seasoning. So you're going to do your seasoning. I'm not going to take my hands today. I'm just going to show you guys how to season. We're going to get this grease turned down. We don't want to do too much popping before it been popped in my eye. Okay. I'm going to show you how to do that. Get the seasoning all around, all at the bottom, to your liking, what you think is best. Then you're going to go ahead and add your seasoning salt. So that was the garlic powder. Then you're going to go ahead and add your seasoning salt. Make sure you try to spread it all around. You don't want to put too much. So make sure you try to get it all coated. So you're going to keep turning and seasoning to your liking. Okay? To your liking. A little bit more here. This chicken grease is ready. It's popping, ready for y'all. Last but not least, I'm going to take this hot sauce and we're going to put the hot sauce on before. It's going to give it a good flavor, guys. Try to get it all around here. Some hot sauce on before. Like I said, got it from my cousin Merle, family recipe. Merle Curl. She used to do this when I was younger. I come over her house and I said she put hot sauce on before and it was the bomb. So here we go. I'm sharing your recipe and I added my twist to it. Okay, so with that being said, take your chicken, put it in a bag, a few at a time. Don't want to overpower your bag because you want the flour to get all over it. Come on up here. And you want to shake. Make sure the flour is on all of it. So then you're going to take your chicken. Make sure the flour is over all of it. And you're going to place it in the pan. So I'm going to get it all placed in. I'm going to tell you guys how long it took to cook. Being that these are wingdings, you don't want to overcrowd your pan, guys, okay? You don't want to overcrowd your pan. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finishing result and how long it took. Okay, so the chicken is cooking. I cooked it for about a good 7 minutes on one side to 8 minutes to your liking. Flip it over. Now it's cooking, and I'm going to come back and show you the finishing result. Okay, guys, here is the finishing results. Look at that. So I say I cooked each side for about a good 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Depends on how crispy you want it. Yes, delish. So what I'm going to do next is just give it a little color, just because I'm doing a video. I want to show y'all. I got this parsley, fresh parsley, from my girlfriend and her husband, the Beards, Rhonda and France Beards. Ismail Garden, we go over there sometimes. And she let me pick greens and parsley and all those fresh vegetables out of her garden. I thank you. I appreciate you. So I'm going to use some of yours today to just show and cut up. Thanks for the fresh vegetables. All right, you want to get to cutting. You want to cut it up small if you want to decorate. This is just optional, guys. This is just something I wanted to do. You don't have to do it. Remember, this is a one-on-one base. Just a little bit. Sprinkle it on top. Give it a little color. A little more here. Look at that. Bon appetit. Take a bite. Thank you guys for watching. One-on-one good fried chicken. Be blessed.